Kung naghahanap nga kayo ng mura pero masasarap na food menus, over 100 plus dishes ay dapat ngang maitry nyo dito sa Food Club Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Dito makikita mo talagang prepare nila ang mga food ng malinis at maayos, at kapag naubos na nga ang mga nasa tray ay agad nila tong nire-refill, kaya naman hindi ka mag-worry na naubusan ka or mauubusan ka. Dito hindi lang basta kainan, it's an experience. Imagine a feast ng puno ng international dishes like Korean, Japanese, American, Mexican, and syempre hindi mawawala ang Filipino dishes. From fresh seafood and juicy meats cravings mo ay meron dito, to Asian favorites, Western classics, at syempre meron din silang mga desserts na hindi mo talaga matatanggihan. Kung mahilig ka sa mga variety na ito ay perfect talaga dito. Gusto mo ng sashimi, sushi, meron yan dito. Cravings ka ng mga Filipino comfort food like pasta, pizza, cakes, unlimited choices talaga. Lahat nandito na sa iisang lugar lang. Food Club is more than just about food. Perfect ito for family bonding, barkada reunions, birthdays, and celebration with relaxing ambience, and talaga namang memorable ang bawat moment dito. For as low as 698 pesos sa lunch, 898 pesos naman for dinner, and 998 for weekends or holiday. But take note, effective promo rate are good for July to August 2025 only. Kaya naman talagang sulit na sulit ang presyo, child-friendly, pet-friendly. They accept cash, credit cards, online payments, and open sila daily. Lunch is 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. while dinner is 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. For reservations, you can call the following contacts. They also have Fisher Mall branch and Festival Mall branch. Kaya naman, kahit saan ay pwede tayong mag-dine-in. So, i-check nyo na rin ang branches na yan. Baka malapit kayo. Super spacious pwede talaga ang mga special occasions, birthdays, and anniversary or year-end parties. They can accommodate over 800 plus guests. Meron din silang gift certificate na ino-offer that you can avail for 950 pesos lang. Pwede mo siyang i-claim sa FCM branches anytime. You can also experience the IDIM DIY Bakery. Pwede kang makakuha ng free voucher basta makapag-spend ng 5,000 sa Food Club Manila Ayala Mall. For discounts and promos naman ay meron din sila for our seniors, PWDs, and kids. Ilalagay ko dito yung kanilang prices. For student discounts naman ay 25% off. Sa graduation promo naman ay free ang ating mga estudyante na graduate basta magdala lang sila ng 4 regular paying adults. For birthday promo naman, free ang ating birthday celebrant basta meron siyang kasama na 1 full paying adult sa actual date. Kapag ka naman birth month, 3 full paying adult ang kailangan niyang dalhin. So what are you waiting for? Pumunta na sa Food Club Ayala Mall, Manila Bay.